we teach the 3 things every African should know: time management, value of money, and the culture of saving. MST stands for Math, Science, and Technology. These are the 3 things that make the world move. Our vision is to stimulate each child's potential through practical learning. At MST, great science means fun, innovation, inquiry, excitement, inspiration. If there is one truth that has shaped every age of human discovery, it is that curiosity moves the world forward. And at MST Junior School, curiosity is not only encouraged, it is cultivated. Here, science is not a chapter in a textbook. It is a living experience that breathes through every classroom, every laboratory, and as a young mind eager to understand how things work. Welcome to a place where children are guided to master the 3 pillars every African child should grow up understanding: time management, the value of money, and the culture of saving. These ideas shape character, but they are also deeply connected to science. They teach order, discipline, and observation, qualities that turn a learner into a thinker and a thinker into a problem solver. MST stands for Math, Science, and Technology, the same 3 forces that have powered innovation in every part of the world. Our vision is simple: stimulate the potential of each child through practical learning. Because when a child touches a principle with their hands, it becomes more than information. It becomes understanding. It begins with questions that children naturally ask. How does the sun give light? Why does a seed grow? What makes a bulb glow? What causes water to rise or fall? And from these simple questions, a world of learning unfolds. In our science spaces, learners mix solutions, observe reactions, and create models that mirror the systems of life. They learn about energy transfer through heat experiments and motion. They build simple machines, test soil samples, and study insects in their natural environment. Each activity is designed to awaken the scientist within and prove that science is not complicated. It is simply a journey of exploring what is already around us. These practicals help children develop confidence and independence. They learn that every discovery begins with a small step. A simple experiment can become an idea. An idea can become a solution. And a solution can shape a community. This kind of learning nurtures a mindset of possibility. It shows each child that they are capable of creating, fixing, designing, and improving the world they live in. Children observe slow processes like germination and understand that growth takes time. They witness quick reactions and learn that decisions must be made with focus and clarity. They work together, share roles, and speak the language of teamwork. This makes science more than a subject. It becomes preparation for life. Every learner at MST is guided to think like a scientist, to question, to test, to explore, and to never fear mistakes. Mistakes become lessons. Lessons become stepping stones, and stepping stones become achievements. As the practical demonstrations appear in this documentary, each experiment carries a deeper message. It shows the value of curiosity. It shows the beauty of learning by doing. And it reminds us that when children understand the science behind the world they live in, they grow up empowered to change it. This is the heart of MST Junior School, a place where innovation is encouraged, excitement is celebrated, and every discovery is a victory. A place where every child is making progress as a scientist, one explanation at a time.